Batisi TV Lone Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Ka Jaka Dekali Gabatamai Junka Tata Motors Halatko Ni Shillong Ringkat Bakanet Foodish Ordar Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakir Dobying Jompi
Menteri ke Sarkar Jelna uba pajak ketenat penroi sor uba Sniawbhalang Dhar hagas ni baar jong kat kendai terik ubana yong arajar arpuar ula pentip baka Sarkar kan sa Pynïoh ya ke Jaka Thehñiut ke Shipor tang hapo sisngi arsngi na ke benta ke sor Jowai ke bala sata da Thehñiut hasurok kadhadu bakala pen isat met hadu kata-kata ya ke sor Jowai baro ke wei Kaya musyang hadu menta kala kelalong ke Martin namar ka jing persya jong ki kato kat ni ki snong ban the ye ki nyot ha ka snong ban kejai ha ka jing ya kren bat ki lat pathai khubor ruba Sniawbhalang ulia tho pakatanat penroi sor hadu menta kala wat ya ke Jaka ke bapaka na ka benta ka nong ba shlong ke sor Jowai bar katura khnang ba andob la ban the ye ki nyot shi Jaka.
It's a scientific philosophy now. But now my officer have been so many villages they make to understand on the Everest program. This is not a dumping ground. It's a scientific waste management thing. So mostly they understand now. So we have identified 3-4 places. We are yet to finalize only. And yes, while we are waiting for this parliament, yes, the people are suffering a little bit, but the government is working very hard to make sure that this thing will be sorted out in a very short time. Only even Martin is on the process of acquiring a permanent landfill in Jowai, it's the same thing only. That's why we want to close this old one, and in the process while we are doing all this, so we have to continue with the old one only, as long as we are waiting for the permanent one. 3, 4, 5 places has been identified, but we have yet to negotiate which one is feasible for those type of project to be set up. From all ends, from the headman, the NGOs, the Deloitte, everywhere. It's a collectively responsibility, frankly speaking. We need the support of everybody. And I request from my side also personally, I request to everyone at least let us take this serious. This issue is a serious issue. So I request all the support of the headmen, the people, the public. They should not be panicked with this, because with this new one, we are going to come with a purely scientific mind, scientific waste management as per the NGT order. My officer is on the job of getting the permanent landfill. I'm not telling you where the proposed site. Let it be done only. When know how to deal accordingly, why you should tell to the people how to deal? At least you need to get a permanent landfill only. A temporary landfill presently, so maybe in a day or two we'll be able to get a temporary landfill while we are going for the permanent site. The size, let us get first, we will tell you the site exactly. Acquiring of land, it will take some time. It's not a question in a day or two you can do all this thing. That's why the department is busy for the process of acquiring the permanent landfill for the Jowai town. Exactly, I didn't remember, but it seemed 36 months, if I'm not wrong. 6 months. Of course, is exact figure is not me. If I'm not mistaken, 30 crore approximately, plus minus. Approximately, not the exact figure. How I know their own ways, how I know. How they dispose is based on them only, from where they dispose it. I have heard that, but no proof. Let's see. If there is any complaint lodged to me accordingly, I will take action against it. There are just people saying only. It may be right, it may be wrong.